Hey folks, John Goldstein here, president of Leisure Coachworks. Going to take a few minutes of your time and show you this custom conversion we did on this high cube Sprinter van. With any custom conversion, it's always the best to understand what you want so we can give you what you need. Come take a peek. Got an exterior awning, nice painted speakers on the outside, 10-gallon Dometic water heater, a hitch for towing, got a built-in rear view camera on the top. And because this customer wants to be able to work and not plug in, we have 300 watts of solar, a built-in AGM battery with an inverter, jack antenna so he can watch TV when he's not working. Over here you have the nice city water fill to fill up your fresh water tank, 30 amp plug for when you're hooked up at a park, city cable when you do have that, an exterior shower for when you need to wash your hands on the go. With any custom conversion, the inside is just as important as the outside, so come take a look. With any custom conversion, it's always good to know the needs and the wants. This customer needs to be able to work and wants to be able to sleep for a day or two at a time when he's working on the road. So this over here has a little spot that flips up out here on the bottom. Take that cushion from the top, drop it on the bottom, you have a bed. Underneath here you have nice holding tanks, all your batteries. Over here he has a nice little small place to cook, hot water to wash his hands, plenty of storage underneath, overhead storage. Back here is going to be his plotter because he does window tinting and clear film. Interior speakers for when he's listening to his music. Beautiful Corian countertops. A little space over here for his compressor, pressure washer, fridge and freezer to keep his food cold, microwave to heat up that burrito when you're on the run, Xbox for when work's over and it's time to have fun. Over here you have the Renergie solar controller, Magnum inverter controller, outside speakers, your water heater controller, water pump, nice stereo. This unit has dual air conditioners. This was 13.5. Over here this is over the road air conditioning when their vehicle is running. Can't forget that TV with extra storage behind it. Nice built-in speakers for listening to your music. Seating is always key in any conversion, so he made it so the front seats can swivel around. Made the upholstery so it ties in the seats and the booth. With every conversion, it's really important to maximize space. So under here we have our batteries, we have our fresh water holding tanks, we have our water pump. And on the passenger side, just underneath the floor, you have your propane tank and your wastewater for your gray tank. I hope you found that entertaining and enjoyable, and another perfect example of the pride and the craftsmanship we deliver here on a daily basis here at Leisure Coachworks. If you're in the neighborhood, we're in Fontana, California, across the street from the California Speedway. Like us on Facebook, check us out at leisurecw.com, or stop on by.